This is 30th Annual General Meeting of Midis Portfolio Management Limited is now being conducted through video conference, any other audio visual means today, that is on Thursday, 30th September 2021 at 10 a.m. I welcome all the members. My name is Payal Jain and I'm the Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, Midis Portfolio Management Limited. In view of the massive outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, social distancing is a norm to be followed, and pursuant to various circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, physical attendance of the members to this 30th AGM venue is not required, and hence this general meeting is being conducted through video conference. The attendance of the members attending this 30th AGM will be counted for the purpose of reckoning the quorum under Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. Instructions for joining this annual general meeting had been uploaded on the company's website as well as business on the BSE website. The notice of this AGM was given on 21st August 2021. VKM Associates, who are the scrutinizers for this meeting, have also joined this meeting. We also have the directors of the company who have joined this AGM currently. I request them to introduce themselves. We will start with our directors, Mr. Kishore Shah.
Hello, welcome and good morning to all the members of Midis Portfolio Management Limited. My name is Kishore Shah. I am a promoter director of Midis Portfolio Management Limited. I am conducting this 30th annual general meeting in capacity of the chairperson through video conference from my home. I thank you everybody.
Now we have a second director who would like to introduce.
Hello, my name is Jyoti Kishore Shah. I am a promoter director of Midis Portfolio Management Limited. I am joining this AGM through video conference from my home. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we also have sir joining us, Kulkarni sir. Kulkarni sir, 1 minute. I will have to unmute you. One second, sir. Kulkarni sir, there are a lot of members who have joined. So just give me 1 minute. I will have to unmute you. So there are a lot of members. I am not able to identify. 1 second, sir. So you may wave your hand. Everybody can see you. Yes. Yes. Okay. 1 minute, sir. I found you. 1 minute, sir. Try to unmute, sir, now. At your end. I have unmuted you over here, sir. Over here, I have unmuted you, sir. Join video or join audio will help you to speak, sir.
Can you see me now?
Yes, sir. We can see you and we can hear you. Welcome to the meeting, sir.
Oh, yeah. My name is Sharat Kulkarni. I am an independent director of the Midis Portfolio Management Limited. I am joining this AGM through video conference from my home.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we will continue with the annual general meeting. I would request our chairperson, Mr. Kishore Shah, to say a few words.
Hello. First of all, thank you all the members for joining this video conference. I would like to say a few words. This financial year was severely affected due to COVID pandemic. During the year, there was limited business and limited staff. However, the company has carried out all the compliances, filed all the reports as required under BSE, SEBI, ROC regulations, etc. Our company's equity shares are infrequently traded on Bombay Stock Exchange. I request the members to approve the agenda for this meeting. I thank you all the members for joining this meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now coming to the agenda for the meeting, the company had provided facility of e-voting to its members in respect of the business to be transacted at this 30th AGM, which started from 26 September at 9 a.m. to 29th September ending at 5 p.m. Dates and instructions for the e-voting were also given in the AGM notice. Shareholders who have already voted prior to this meeting are not entitled to vote again. Those members who have not done e-voting may cast their vote now during this meeting by raise of hand button available on this Zoom platform. We shall pause for 2 minutes after reading of each agenda to enable such members to cast their votes. I would also like to bring to notice of all the members that this AGM is being recorded and the quorum has been reached, and now the agenda for the meeting is to transact the following ordinary business. Item number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2021 and balance sheet as at the date, together with the report of auditors and directors thereon. Now we shall pause for 2 minutes to enable the members to cast their votes who could not do the e-voting. We also have members joining again. We will wait for 1 more minute. If anybody who did not get a chance to do the e-voting can raise their hand and vote. Thank you, sir. Now we will proceed with the second item on the agenda. It is again an ordinary business. To reappoint a director in place of Mr. Kishore Shah, having DIN number 000-15575, who retires by rotation, but being eligible offers himself for reappointment. We shall again pause for 2 minutes to enable the members to cast their vote on item number 2. Thank you, sir. This meeting is recorded, so we can see the members who have cast their vote. Dear member Galaxy M51, we would like to know your name. Dear member Galaxy M51, who has recently joined the meeting, we would like to know your name. You can send it on the chat. I would like to inform the members that there is no special business to be transacted in this annual general meeting. Also, we do not have any speaker registration. If any speaker registration, please raise your hand. I would like to inform the members of the meeting that the scrutinizer's report will be available on the Bombay Stock Exchange website within 48 hours. Annual report of the company is available on the website of the company, and also it is available on the Bombay Stock Exchange website under our script code 526251. We are very glad that in case of this massive pandemic, we have our members who are attending this meeting through video conference. I would like to inform the members that this meeting is being recorded. The agenda for the meeting is already transacted, and I would like to thank all the members for joining this meeting. The quorum has also been reached, and I'm very happy to inform that all the members have quickly joined the meeting and have participated in this annual general meeting. I give a vote of thanks to all of you, and with this, I conclude the annual general meeting of Midis Portfolio Management Limited, which has been conducted under the guidelines of MCA circulars, SEBI guidelines, and under the Companies Act as required. And I thank you all for joining this meeting. Stay safe and keep coming to us again and again. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I will end this meeting now. We have received the name of member M51. Shareholder name is Miss Manjari Shah. Thank you for informing us. We have also received 2 votings. Now I will conclude the meeting. Thank you all. Have a good day.